Hello guys, Jeff's here. Today I'm gonna show you the function of control unit programming by X431 PAD VII Smart Link. The function mainly used in the module replacement and module improvement scenarios. By making use of X431 PAD V, we can synchronize the brand new control module with the default parameters or upgrade the module with a new version to solve some problems. As is known to all, the programming is at risk of irreparable damage to the control unit. We are able to prevent the risk occurs if we carry out the function according to the instructions and consult the seller ahead of time. As we can see, these preconditions helps you to prep for the programming. Now, let's do a case demo with the PAD V. Specifically, we will program a new control module for Mercedes-Benz E200. After the new control module is placed, we need to access to the control unit via the Mercedes-Benz diagnostic software. Now I'm gonna use the control unit programming function to upgrade the ECU. Before proceeding the programming, the recording means to back up the original data for reprogramming or data reversion, so we save the data as a name file. As I mentioned earlier, please be patient with the pop-up notification, particularly preconditions like this. Now the programmable data is downloading from the launch server. The PAD V automatically runs the process of programming and resetting the control module. Besides, the obligatory software calibration number SCN coding and resetting is automatically carried out to recalibrate the updated ECU to the vehicle. Okay, the complete process of online programming function ends here. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.